What are the symptoms of kidney failure? Stay tuned to find out. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, make a comment, hit that bell, do all the things so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. My name is Dr. Blake Schuster. I'm a board certified kidney doctor, and I'm also the cooking doc, and everything that I talk about today is for informational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Please talk to your doctor before listening to me on the internet. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, one of the questions that I always get from people who come to see me in the office or online is, what are the symptoms of kidney failure, and how do I know if what I am feeling is because my kidneys are not working? So I kind of break this down into two parts. The first is the symptoms of kidney failure. Now, kidney disease is a long spectrum. So there are people who have kidneys that work at 50% of normal, who are diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, and there are people whose kidneys don't work at all who are diagnosed with chronic kidney disease. And there's a huge difference along the symptoms between the beginning and the end. Something that is really difficult about kidney disease is that in the beginning, it has no symptoms. In fact, almost until the very end, kidney disease can have no symptoms. That's right. So you can have kidneys that are working 20 to 25% of normal and not have any symptoms. Now, that's certainly not true for everyone. Certain people get symptoms of kidney disease when they're early in their progression because they have swelling in their legs, or they have difficult to control high blood pressure, or they feel a little bit fatigued. So there are some people that get symptoms earlier, but for the most part, kidney disease doesn't have any symptoms until it gets late in the process. So stage 5 or late stage 4 chronic kidney disease. Another thing that makes kidney failure so difficult sometimes to determine symptoms is that the symptoms of advanced kidney disease are just about exactly the same as the symptoms of a lot of other diseases. Some of these are very generic symptoms, such as itching. Some people get itching when they have kidney disease. Now, what else can cause itching? A million things. So whether or not that itching is from something else, dry skin, or a rash, or allergic reaction, or from kidney disease, is sometimes difficult to determine. Kidney disease can also cause nausea and vomiting. Again, a very generic symptom that sometimes can be caused by a whole host of other things. GI illnesses, gastroparesis. There are so many things that can cause nausea and vomiting that are not kidney disease related. It's difficult to know whether those stomach ailments are from your kidneys or from something else. Swelling in your legs. Because kidney disease leads to difficulty with your body processing both the salt and the water that you take in, it can lead to things like swelling in your legs. So swelling in your legs is a sign of kidney disease. But it's also the sign of other things, such as you can see swelling in the legs with heart failure, or liver disease, or blood clots, or lymphedema. So swelling, definitely kidney disease, definitely other things. Fatigue, that overwhelming feeling that you just can't get done the things that you want done. Now, if I see 30 patients in the office, 15 of them, or 20, may complain of fatigue. Now, fatigue comes with anemia, so a low blood count. Fatigue comes with aging. Fatigue comes with medications as side effects. Fatigue comes with sleep apnea. Fatigue comes with not getting enough sleep. So there are a lot of things that cause fatigue, including kidney disease. So if you wonder where I'm going with this, we'll get to the point here in a minute, but I wanted to first just cover the point that the symptoms of kidney disease are really similar to the symptoms of other things, and I'll tell you how to determine which symptoms are from your kidneys or from something else as we get further along. Stick with me. One of the things that is a little bit unique to the symptoms of kidney disease is a metallic taste in the mouth. Now, that usually doesn't develop until people have stage 5 kidney disease and are close to needing dialysis. Now, there are some other things that cause that change, such as medications can cause that. You know, we've learned over the last couple of years that COVID can cause loss of taste and smell, or alterations in your taste and smell. So while it is a little more specific to kidney disease than some of these other symptoms, there are definitely things that can cause that alteration of your taste besides kidney failure. What are some of the other symptoms of kidney disease? Well, you can become confused, you can urinate less. There are a whole host of other symptoms that can come with kidney disease. So if you have any of these symptoms, how do you know if they're related to kidney disease or to something else? Well, sometimes it's very difficult to tell. And it really takes the expertise of a doctor to look at your labs, to look at your trend of your kidney disease, to look at your medications, to put it all together with these symptoms to kind of give you an idea of whether or not these symptoms are related to your kidneys and kidney failure or related to something else. These are also a good reminder that if you're having any of these things, to talk to your doctor about your kidneys. Most people should be screened for kidney disease, especially if they have risk factors like family history of kidney disease or high blood pressure. So if you have any of those things, ask your doctor to screen you for kidney disease with either a urine test or a blood test, or probably both. Kidney failure is a very serious disease, and chronic kidney disease should be managed by a kidney doctor. The reason is that we are able to help determine whether the symptoms are from kidney disease or from something else. Thanks so much for watching me today. Make sure you talk to your doctor about any questions you have about kidney disease. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, click that bell. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a Modern 10-Step Guide to Preventing and Managing Kidney Disease. Go to my website, thecookingdoc.co, and we will see you next time.